So hi friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create your YouTube short video or your avatar with the help of just 5 steps. If you're following these 5 steps, so you are able to create your avatar and as well as AI video. So the first step is AI avatar. How you can create your AI avatar. So if you want to create your AI avatar, so you have to visit and you have to open your Chrome and type avatar PI and AI, enter. So the first website is gonna showing here, so you have to click on this, and if you want to create your avatar, so you can create here. So I don't want to create now because I had already created my avatar. So let me show you. So here I can open file manager and I can go download, and here is it. So here is it, my avatar. So let me show you. Open with and photos. So here you can see that I had already created my avatar with the help of this website. Okay, so our first step has completed, and now we should have to move on our second step, and the second step is channel idea. So how we can get a channel idea? So you should have to go on your browser again, and you have to write, and you can take help by ChatGPT. So you can write ChatGPT, enter, and the first website is showing here. You have to open it, and you have to see that, and here you can log in, and after that you can take help from ChatGPT. And the third step is very crucial again, and the third step is script writing. So if you want to create your script from your video for your video, so you can take help from ChatGPT. So our first, second and third step have completed, and now we should have to move on our fourth step. And the fourth step is very crucial, and you are looking for that. So the fourth step is making a video. So how you can make a video, or how you can change your picture in talking. So again you have to go on the Chrome, and you have to write Studios.did and enter. So the first website is showing here. So you have to click on this, and again you can see here lots of things is popping here. So you can click here, create video, and after that you can choose here title of the video, and here you can add your character or avatar. So I can click here and add my avatar. So firstly we have to sign up here. So I can click on the Google, and here I can click here on my Gmail. So it was signing in, I think so. Yeah, it will take some time. It will take some time for loading, and now here it is. So again you have to click on create video and tap on the add, and you can add your avatar, those you have created. So you have to click on this. Okay, and now your avatar is adding. So it will take few time just for adding your avatar. So just wait and watch. So now avatar is added, avatar is being added. So now you have to choose your language, in which language you want to speak your character. Okay, so I want to speak in English. Okay, and here you can choose gender of your character. Okay, so I can choose Eric, and next you have to tap, and you can write something like your script. So I had already written my script, so I can just copy that script. Okay, so I can copy my script, and you can write your own script, or you can take help from ChatGPT for creating your script. Okay, so I can just copy paste here. Okay, so it gives me a warning because we could not write extra more than 20 words. Okay, so that's why. So I can delete some words, and now I think it should be fine. That's it. And now I can click on the generate video. So here the video is generating for us, and it will take 2 credit, and you have 2 credit, and you can click on the generate. And now AI is creating your picture into talking in it, and let's see what will happen and how it looks. I think it take too much time, I think so. So we have to wait. I think now our video has been created successfully, and let me show you. So the video is look like this. So it is loading now. It is loading now. Yeah, you can see that. So you have seen this video. I think this video is gonna crazy, and sorry, I forgot to download it. Okay, so I am just downloading, so you can click here and download your video. And here, so the downloading has been completed. Also, it had been saved on my system, so I can click here. So here our 4th step has been completed, and we should have to move now on our 5th step, and the 5th step is background remove. So how we can remove our background from the video? So we should have to go again on the Chrome, and you should have to write unscreen.com. So here is it. I can enter. So it will take few time to load. Yeah, now the website is loaded, and here you can it is showing the upload clip or search GIF. So you have to click on the upload clip, and here you can choose your video. So here is it. So the video I can be chosen my video. So it will take few time just for loading that video. So now it will doing their work. So now you can see that 80% and 100% has been done. So now you have to click on the download, and here your video is composing and encoding. For it takes some time. Okay, so our video has been downloaded successfully. Let me show you. So here is it. You can see that our video has been downloaded successfully, and you can see that. So here we had seen that we had successfully created a YouTube short video, and we had successfully removed background from that video. So if you like that content, and so you can do like and subscribe. So thank you.